This third example, it is a multi-step equation, so there are a couple things that we have to do to figure out the value of x. Once again, we're only finding the positive value of x. So you can see right away that there is a coefficient that is with the x squared. There was not one on example 2. But since there is a coefficient, before we do any squaring, square roots, cubing, cube roots, we're going to get rid of that multiplication by 10. So using inverse operations, I'm going to divide both sides by 10. Dividing the left side, 10 over 10 is 1, so it cancels. And when I divide the right side by 10, I get x squared is equal to 144. Now I'm going to use the inverse operation of squaring a number, which is to take the square root. So when I take the square root on the left side, it cancels out. And when I take the square root on the right side, I'm finding the positive square root of 144, which is 12. Last step is to verify to make sure. So to verify, I'm going to take that value that I just got for x, and I'm going to plug it back into my original equation. So 10 times 12 to the second power should equal 1,440. You can use a calculator, but you probably don't need a calculator on this one. So remember, order of operations, exponents come before multiplication. So I'm going to do 12 to the second power first, which is 144. And then I'm going to multiply that by 10. And thankfully, 10 times 144, is 1,440. So it does check, it does verify. So back to my answer, which is x equals 12.